All right, everybody. Thanks for tuning in. Today I have a product review, and this is going to be a two-parter. I bought this for the upcoming Spanish 420 ride that I'm going to be doing across the state of Florida. It's the Aero Spider Handlebar Cradle. And as you can see, it goes right on the front of your handlebars, and then where you can see these straps right here, it will, you can undo those straps, then put like a dry bag there, and they sell a dry bag. I didn't buy it this time because I already have one, but yeah, then your dry bag, it gets it up off your frame and puts it in a really good position. In this case, for a, like I have a Trek mountain bike, flat bar, so this is going to work out pretty well for that. But I imagine you could also use it for a drop bar bike. So here's what comes in the bag. This is the actual cradle that comes with it, and you can see that this part right here is what's going to go against the handlebars. You see that? And then it comes with a bag of parts like this, and I'll show you what's in the bag. Couple stickers, pretty cool. A hex key, and two of these. And how these work is, you can see right here, this clips on to here. Let's see if I can show this. It clips on just like that. And there's one for each side, obviously. And then what you do is you take the hex key, and you can then insert the hex key right here and tighten that up. Yep. So it's pretty cool. You slide back and forth like this, so you could put it in either hole. You can see also, hopefully on camera, that right here, there's a little like flange cut out, and these actually stick on to here. Like that. So I'm gonna get it installed. I'll show you what it looks like. And once I do the event, I'll let you know whether it worked out or not. Okay, before we move on to the install, let's go ahead and weigh this. So I'm gonna put this on the scale, and it comes in at 436 grams. And if you're interested in kilograms, it's 0.436 kilograms. And if you're interested in pounds and ounces, it is 15.3 ounces. So 16 ounces is 1 pound. It's just slightly less than 1 pound. All right, let's move on to the installation. Okay, so there you have it. This is what it looks like installed. And as you can see, I've kind of tilted it a little bit more forward, and it leaves this area open here. These are really super easy to install. They just clip on. Using the included hex tool, I was able to get that all snugged up. And then you can see I can add my dry bag in here. So this is going to be good, and I still have to tidy up my Garmin mount, which will be around here somewhere, but that's for later. But yeah, So this is going to be the Trek Top Fuel. I think I might have called it something different earlier in the video. But yeah, this is going to be good. And this is going to be able to put everything up here on the front. Once I get the bike loaded up for the adventure, I'll do another video and I'll do a follow-up on this as well.